Hey, are y'all gonna give it to her? Y'all want to switch it?
You can.
Buddha bless this beat.
AP on me, iced out, tennis chains, iced.
Live, laugh, love, haven't you heard? Welcome to my empty apartment tour. This video is very quick and we're just going to go straight into the material. So when you enter into my apartment, this is the front door, and it's a little closet next to it as well where you can put your coats, your shoes, anything like that. And then here is the kitchen. So the kitchen has nice stainless steel appliances, which I really like, and I love the granite. And then here's my pantry, microwave, oven, and then this is my laundry room. So in this laundry room, it's very spacious, plenty of storage opportunities, which I love. And the lighting in my apartment is very nice and just really open, and it's very natural, so that's one of the things that I like. This is the dining room area, and again, here's all that natural light because the windows in my apartment are huge, and behind me I literally have a patio facing a nice like green area. So here we have the patio going outside in that area that's behind my apartment. It's beautiful when the sun sets. And I have already put in pictures up there on my Snapchat because y'all saw my patio before. And there again is the front door. So here is the living room space. I love the living room space because it's so open. I love the fact that the floor plan of the entire apartment is open. Another thing that I love is that the bathroom is outside of my actual room. So this is the bathroom. It has a nice shower. It has 2 sinks. It has a towel rack, it has a nice door, and then there's also a light in the hallway which leads to my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Again, very spacious, huge windows, lots of opportunity for storage because I have a walk-in closet. Again, if you guys want to see a closet tour, you have to put that down below in the comments. Here's the desk area. I love the desk area. This is where I study for school, reading, briefing, reading all the cases that I have to obtain. So that desk area is really nice. I also like the bar area of my actual kitchen right there. I have to get bar stools for that, but I just wanted you guys to see the apartment, what it looks like. But it's very cute. It's very me. And I can't wait to show you guys the decorative tour of my apartment. I have decorated my entire apartment, so I can't wait to show you guys. Okay guys, so now we are fast forwarding to the actual decorative tour.
What's up, folks? Okay, are y'all gonna give it to her? Y'all want me to give it to her?
You can.
Okay.
Live, laugh, love, haven't you heard? It's J Bird back with another video. Hey J Birds, what it is? Oh, what's up? You clicked on it so I don't have to say too much, period. Okay, so this is my apartment tour. You already see my friends in here, and I'm so excited they came to see me today.
Hello.
These are my main hoes. We're called the Stallions. Look us up. Okay, so first thing I wanted to show you guys was this dining room area. I just got this pot from like Home Goods and At Home, and all the furniture is from Rooms to Go. Of course, I keep the windows open because I like natural lighting. And then we're gonna go over out into the patio space. Okay, so this is the patio, and it's just very nice. It has like a nice green scenery, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, ow. And then you just go right back into the apartment, and I still have to get patio chairs for that, but eventually, because it's Labor Day weekend right now, I'll probably try to get some stuff for sale. Let's go into the kitchen where everybody is
What is happening?
practicing. No, just kidding. This is a kitchen space. This is the fridge. Everything in here is steel, so I like stainless steel, you know what I'm saying? I have a dishwasher. It's pretty fancy. I can only start it with the actual light switch, so I like that. Most people have a Keurig, but I'm basic. I like to actually brew coffee. Microwave, stove, all your basics, and then we go into the laundry room. And we have a bunch of storage space in the laundry room, which I really like. Everything in here was actually super tall, and I'm only 5'4", so I have to get a stepping stool, but that's neither here or there. Danny going back into the fridge. It has a bunch of space, and eventually I'll probably do a video of how to organize that, but yeah, we'll get into that later. So now we are going into the bar slash living room area. So So, like I said, all the furniture was from Rooms to Go. The pillows are from At Home. Some of these things are from Ross. The coffee table was from Wayfair. And then this, of course, you guys have already seen this. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, I asked you guys if I should do an apartment tour. And I asked you guys what you guys would like. And you said you really like this painting. So I put this up, and this kind of gave me the feel of the colors I was going for in my entire apartment. So then here we have the TV stand, more elephants, more DST paraphernalia. And then we come into this little hallway area and we go into the bathroom. So the bathroom I really like because I have 2 sinks and a bunch of storage space. If you guys want to see a video of how I organize all of this, then I will put that up there eventually. Just put that below in the comments. Something else I need to get is I need to get a longer rug because I didn't realize I was gonna have 2 sinks. And I also, funny thing about my shower is it is glass and also stainless steel, and I thought I was gonna need a shower curtain, but I actually didn't. So I really like this, and I love the storage space and how it has the chair, so you know, when my man come home, you know, do some things.
Oh no.
And here we have my bedroom with a sexy model on it, okay? Period. Getting the shot in and everything, all the angles. Again, the furniture is from Rooms to Go. This bookshelf is from Target. TV, I've had that since like my freshman year of college. I got this rack from Bed Bath & Beyond for like $19. This rug below is actually from Five Below, so don't sleep on Five Below, period. Right now I just have all like my dresses and blazers up there, and eventually I'll probably change it out again because it's starting to get cooler and I don't know if I like that right now. Again, I keep all the windows open in my apartment because I like natural lighting. I have storage underneath my bed, which is why I actually like this bed. And now we will walk into the office space of my room. So basically the way I have it set up is I have everything I need to do up here, and I have Philippians 4:13 as the verse because I can do all things through Christ. Amen. And then I also have the same rug on the chair from Five Below, and I have that organized. If you guys want to see a video of that, let me know in the comments below. Now I know what you're wondering, just to show us your closet, but I just can't do that right now because y'all know, one video at a time. If you watch this video all the way through, put below in the comments that you want to see a closet tour in all caps. Again, I post videos every Friday at 3 p.m. And thank you for subscribing if you are subscribed. If you are new, you should go ahead and subscribe to my channel, period. Okay, peace.
Layers bill, on that lip, Maybach seat with the shears, AP shit.